Think chest dips are just a simple chest exercise? Most people do them completely wrong. If you've ever felt pain or your chest not activating, this video is for you. So every dip you do actually hits your chest, safely and effectively. Understand the key mechanics. Why most people fail at chest dips. First mistake, staying too upright, and the chest barely activates. This puts the shoulder joint in a vulnerable position, leading to pain or injury. Dropping too low without stability isn't strength, it's a fast track to damage. Many lifters never even realize they're doing it wrong because chest dips feel okay. Chest dips are a deceptively simple exercise. The secret to activating your chest. Your chest's main function is to bring your arms forward and across your body. Even a small 20 to 30. Think of it as tilting a beam toward. The angle matters more than you realize. Step 1. Grip the bars slightly wider than shoulder width. Imagine screwing your hands into the bars for stability. Chest proud. Your core is like the foundation of a skyscraper. Without it, the movement collapses. Feet slightly crossed behind for balance. Step 4. Check your elbows. Your elbows are guides for and your shoulders will thank you. Control every inch. Stop when your upper arms are parallel to the ground. Pain is a warning. Adjust lean or depth. Truth. Controlled depth beats reckless depth every time. Press back up, but here's the trick. Don't just push elbows straight. Imagine hugging a barrel with your chest while pressing. Pause for a second, think again, and end up stressing their shoulders and elbows while their chest barely works. Today I'm going to take you from beginner mistakes to advanced tweaks. By the end of this session, you'll feel your chest like never before and be able to train smarter, not just harder. Let's talk about the mistakes first. If your torso is vertical, your triceps do all the work. Second mistake, shoulders creeping forward. Third mistake, chasing depth recklessly. And here's a fact. Until shoulder pain or a lack of growth hits, but small adjustments change everything. Here's the hidden secret that transforms chest dips. Lean slightly forward. If you stay upright, your triceps dominate. Degree forward lean shifts the focus to the chest, the part you want to strengthen. Set up and grip wrists neutral, not bent backward. Step 2. Shoulders down and back. Core lightly braced. Step 3. Forward lean 20 to 30 degrees. Tiny adjustments make a huge difference in chest activation. Slightly back, not flared sideways. Movement. Control their path. Lower yourself slowly, 2-3 seconds. Chest open, shoulders packed. Elbows back and slightly out. Or slightly below if your shoulders allow it comfortably. Many people rush the descent, thinking deeper, better. Imagine your chest fibers stretching under tension. This is the moment they grow. Push the bars down and slightly away from your body. Squeeze the chest at the top, feel the contraction. Every rep should be deliberate. Forget speed. Quality reps make muscle, sloppy reps make pain. Common cues in mind-muscle connection. Ask yourself, am I feeling this in my chest? If not, adjust lean, depth, or control. Keep shoulders down, chest open, core braced. Visualize your chest fibers working. Like cables in a pulley, controlled tension drives growth. Even small tweaks like leaning 5 degrees more forward can make a rep feel completely different. These are your light bulb moments. Pay attention to them. Refine your dips with these. Elbow path. Natural diagonal, neither flared nor tucked. Core engagement prevents swinging. Your core stabilizes the movement. Tempo, slow, deliberate reps. 8 perfect reps beat 15 sloppy ones. Small adjustments compound over time, creating safer, more effective reps. Advanced tips and variations. For advanced lifters, pause at the bottom. 1 second pause to maximize chest activation. Weighted dips. Use a dip belt or dumbbell gradually once form is perfect. Mind-muscle connection. Focus on squeezing the chest at the top of each rep. Pulse reps. Tiny mini pulses at the bottom can overload chest fibers safely. Remember, strength without control is risk, not progress. Common myths and misconceptions. Many lifters think chest dips are bad for shoulders. Not true if done correctly. Proper lean and shoulder position protect the joint. Triceps dips and chest dips are the same. Wrong. Angle and lean completely change muscle activation. The deeper I go, the better the growth. Depth matters only if you can control it safely. Stop when upper arms are parallel if needed. Let's lock it in. Slight forward lean. Shoulders down and back. Controlled descent. Push away, not just up. Squeeze chest at the top. Chest dips done this way feel deep, controlled, and powerful. Now your challenge, do 10 perfect chest dips right now. Slow, deliberate, forward lean. Feel your chest fully engage. That's the difference between doing dips and training dips correctly. Master the basics. Respect the movement. Focus on control, and your chest will grow stronger, bigger, and safer with every session. Remember, slow, controlled, intentional reps beat shortcuts every time.